Hey there! We are doing a quick little video today on some laundry. I'm in my laundry room, got the dryer going for some towels and stuff, but I am doing some end of the season type laundry, and I had some American flag buntings that I had on my porch that got dirty and I needed to clean them. They're not super strong material, so I didn't want to throw them in the washing machine, so I'm hand washing them. And what I wanted to show you today as another low-tech option for doing your laundry, if you don't, if you have some limited options. I did a video before on my hand scrubber washer, the washboard, and this is a plunger style. They call them rebreathers, or a breathing washer is what it says on here, or mobile washer. They have these kinds of rebreather or breather washers that you've seen probably like in antique stores. They're usually metal. The newer ones are plastic, and the way it works is you have a mesh on the inside. It's a bell, basically. Let's see if we can take it apart real quick. Now, there's the top, and it has some holes in it. They don't line up per se, but basically what ends up happening is the water goes in through here. It comes up to a certain level, but it allows the air to escape. So when you are plunging up and down, you don't get really like a tremendous amount of suction. The water gets pushed up and down through the fabric, whatever it is that you're trying to wash. It's very efficient. You don't have to use a lot of water, or obviously soap if you have a small amount of water in your bucket. I just got a 6-gallon bucket and threw some a little bit of laundry soap and some OxyClean in there to try and get this cleaner. We'll see how it comes out, because some of it's already got some, I think, mold stains that have grown on the very top of the hem there. So let me change perspective so you can see down into my bucket. Here's my bucket with my buntings that are in here. I started kind of doing the plunging action a little bit. You can see how dirty the water is. You should be able to hear that. It sort of sounds like it's breathing through its nostrils. This actually works pretty good too if, say, you have a sweater or something that you don't want to have a lot of agitation with. You can keep the plunger down below the surface, and it's still actually getting the water through the fabric in that section. Or you can be more aggressive with it like I am. And literally, I think I've actually just plunged this maybe 2 minutes, and it just can show you how much dirt can come out of this with a little bit of effort. I'll probably do a second wash because this water is so dirty. See if I can end up doing a spot treatment too on the hem. You can kind of see the hem there. It's mottled, and that's from the high humidity that we have here, and it tends to get mold and mildew type stuff on the sides of the buildings and on anything that you leave out. All right, so let me swap out my water. Here it is. I dumped the water, but I didn't rinse any of the flags, so it had some of the original water still in it. I threw a little bit more detergent in there. It does look clearer, but it is still very dirty. I'm going to let it soak for a while, and other than that, this is the breather washer, and I find it to be very helpful and useful, and use it for a lot of my small loads and hand wash items that I need to accomplish. So that's today's demonstration, y'all. I hope it was helpful, and remember, like, subscribe, share it with your friends. Let people know what we're doing out here on the homestead, as humble as it may be. We appreciate your viewership and being able to share what little we know out here, because we think that sharing knowledge is how we all can grow as homesteaders and more self-sufficient individuals. And remember, y'all are the gold. Take care now. Bye.